Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the import CAD tool. So what this tool does is it imports lines from CAD, from a DWG file, and it traces all the lines into a Revit family or a view in a Revit project. Now, this tool is pretty useful, it's pretty powerful. I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm going to load just, random drawing. I'm just going to do a 210201. So you just select the file and then wait for it to load. It's going to take a couple seconds. I'm going to come back when it's done loading. Okay, so we're done loading. It says line is too short. Just hit delete. Sometimes this stuff happens. Uncrop the view. And that took about like, I don't know, 30 seconds. Anyways, as you see here, it imported everything from the CAD drawing, including the dimensions and these tags with the leaders. So it basically takes everything from the drawing. A lot of times when I use it, what I like to do is I just go in the AutoCAD drawing and I'll delete stuff like this that I know I don't need in Revit, like these leaders. That way you don't have to delete it in Revit. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of hard to select. Um, and then maybe I'll just make like a copy of the file that I know I'm importing to Revit. But you can use it however you want. You could just delete all these dimensions here, delete these tags and all this stuff, and you got your DWG file. Kind of hard to delete. But anyways, that's how the tool basically works, and thank you.